Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show us how to make our brown color commercial laundry bar soap. So if you would like to learn how to make your own brown color soap without using alcohol, then this video is for you. So I'm going to show you how you can make yours in affordable way without using alcohol. So the only thing you need to do is to stay to the end of this video. Do not skip any part of it, so you're going to learn every bit by bit which I use in making this soap. Welcome back. So one of the first thing to get ready is your brown color. So this is my own homemade brown color which I made that I'll be using for my production, of which this is what I use for my soap that make it so brownish. So I'll be showing you in the production how I made this brown color and when I need to add it to my soap. Now listen careful, as all the names of chemicals used for this production and their quantity will be listed on the screen of the video as we proceed. So after getting your chemicals, the first thing to add to our mixing bowl is our water. So this water is 250 ml. So I'm using 250 ml for this production. Then after that, I'll be adding my caustic soda. So the quantity I use for the production is 170 gram. Please take note of every chemicals I added and the quantity. So I added 170 gram of caustic soda to the 250 ml of water and stir. So you stir it and make sure it dissolves very well. So after your water have dissolved, then you add your oil. So this oil I use is 1 liter of oil, that is 1000 ml of oil. So once the oil is being added, you make sure you stir as you add. Look at as I added my own bit by bit and stir it. So you stir vigorously. You continue to stir. Make sure you stir it till it blends very well. So in my next video, I'll be talking about other many ways which we can produce our commercial laundry brown bar soap. So if you would like to watch that video, the best thing for you to do is to subscribe to my YouTube channel here and click the notification button, as I'll be showing us other ways which we can produce bar soap. So now I'll be adding my sodium silicate. So this sodium silicate, I'm adding 200 gram. This is 200 gram of sodium silicate. So the work of the silicate is to help to harden my soap and also bind it together. It's a binder in soap and also helps the soap to moisturize the hand after using it. So once you add the silicate, you continue stirring. You make sure you stir very well to help the thing to mix. So at this junction now, I'll be adding my brown color to the soap. Now how I achieve this brown color is by melting 3 tablespoons of sugar in fire. So this brown color was achieved by melting 3 tablespoons of sugar. That is our regular sugar that we know. So I melted it on fire until it melts. Then add a little water to it and blend it together. So this is how you can also achieve your own brown color, which you can add to your soap, and it can equally increase the quantity of the sugar if you want it to be more brownish, depending how you want it to be, and also the volume of soap you want to make. So you can now see how we made this wonderful brown color soap. Look at how brownish it is in the mixing bowl, even before pouring into a mold. So you're gonna stir it, make sure you stir and allow the brown color to mix up very well before adding to the mold. So the last thing to add now is perfume. So I want my soap to scent very well, so I'll be adding my perfume. So what I added is just 20 ml of perfume. So I add it, which is the last thing. My soap is already traced, so I'll add it and stir. So stir it very well and make sure it's blending. It will be ready to be added to the mold. So if you are going to watch to the end of the video, you will see the outcome of our soap. So meanwhile, if this is your first time of joining us in this channel, do well to subscribe and click the notification button, and don't forget to follow us on Facebook also at Miracles Enterprise. So follow us on Facebook. Then to learn more about soap making, you can send us message on WhatsApp, so we can teach you how to make different kind of soap and other cleaning agent just for a token. So now I'm about to pour it into the mold. So look at how brownish it is. Imagine how the outcome will be. So just watch to the end of the video, you will see the outcome and when we cut the soap to bars. Now you now cover the soap to gel overnight, because you can now finally remove it from mold. This is wonderful.